Hello everyone, myself Purushotham, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering, MLR IT. In this session, I am going to explain about user-defined packages. So coming to overview of this session, in this session I am going to explain about what is a user-defined package. So next I am going to explain the package keyword and compiling user-defined packages I am going to explain now. Okay, so let's get started today's session. Now, so coming to user-defined packages, okay, in previous session we already explained what some predefined packages, and if you are not satisfied with the predefined packages, you can also define your own packages. Means user-defined package means, so as name suggests, user can define their own packages. When user can define their own package means if you are not satisfied with the predefined packages, okay, you can also create your own package. Okay, so how it is a possible means by using user-defined package, it is a possible. Now, so how to create a user-defined package is the question. So how to create a user-defined package means, so using the package keyword, you can create a user-defined package. Okay, so package is a keyword. Here we need to remember the package is a keyword, so must be small case. It must be a small case. As we know that all keywords in Java must be small case only. So the package is a keyword, so must be small case. So using package, what we can do means you can create user-defined packages. Okay. Now, so how to use this package keyword means in a single source file. This point is very important. In a single source file, so it is possible to take only one package keyword. Okay. So suppose assume I have a source file, one single source file, and I want to define a user-defined package, and I want to use a package keyword. So here what we need to do means you need to use a package keyword. You need to use a package keyword, package and package name. Suppose let's take I'll take p1.p2. So for a single source file, we need to take only one package keyword. Okay, if you are taking the multiple package keywords, it will throw out the compile time error. Okay, only one package keyword is allowed for a single Java source file. So if you are trying to take two or more package keyword in a file, at the time the compiler will be throw what the compile time error. Okay, so compulsory the only one package keyword is allowed, and that package keyword must be first statement. Okay, if you are taking any other area, and again it will throw the error. Okay, the package keyword if you want to use in your single Java source file, so compulsory that must be first line. Okay, if you are writing in the second line and third line, so it will throw the compile time error. Okay, next the package name must be unique. Okay, so using the package we can define your own package. Like suppose I am taking a package, like I am creating a package p1 and p2. Now, package is a keyword, and this one is a package name. Now, this name must be unique. Okay, the duplicate names, duplicate packages are not allowed. Okay, so the package name must be unique. Sometimes must be unique over the network also. Okay, so suppose if you are developing like mobile applications, and if you want to develop after developing a mobile application, and you need to upload your APK file into the Google Play Store, and how you will publish your application means based on the package only. Okay, the package name must be unique. If you are not following what this rule, so if you are uploading with duplicate package names and at uploading time, so it will not accept. So compulsory the package name must be unique only. Okay, so sometimes it must be unique over the network. Okay, so while taking the package name, we have to follow some coding standards, means the package naming convention. Okay, so here the rule is very clear, the package name must be unique. Now how to achieve this uniqueness? Okay, so to achieve this uniqueness, so we need to follow some coding standards, means some Java package naming conventions. We need to follow Java naming convention. So how to achieve this uniqueness means, here every organization may have what website, and every website having what URL. Okay, the company domain name. Okay, that company domain name we need to take. Like suppose if you take example like www.mlrit.com. So whenever you are passing in URL, so what will happen means it will open only MLRIT website. Okay, it will not open any other college website. It will open only MLRIT website. Means over the network www.mlrit.com is a unique, okay, over the network. So this one is a unique, okay. So that's why you need to take your company domain in reverse order, okay. So likewise, so package name, what is a recommended naming convention means you need to use the package keyword, and this is the package name. Now what is the company domain name? This one is a company domain name. So com, first we need to write the com, after that we need to write the MLRIT, okay. And if you want to create any sub package like CSC I want to create, so just use the .csc, and I want to use one more sub package like com.mlrit.ece, you can use what, like this. And I want to create one more sub package MLRIT com.mlrit mechanical. So these are the sub packages like .cac, .ec, .mech are the sub packages. If you want, you can create the sub packages. Now what is a root package here means the com.mlrit. So why we need to take only com.mlrit means, so com.mlrit is derived from the domain name only. The domain name is a unique over the network. It is a unique. So as we know that the package name must be unique. If you take the domain name, so obviously we can achieve what the uniqueness, okay. So if you want to take any name you can take, but this is the recommended naming convention. This is the recommended naming convention. Convention is always optional. Convention is always optional, but it is recommended to follow, okay. Means if you want, you can write the package like this also, like package p1.p2. If you want, you can take, no problem, okay. But if you are developing the real-time application, if you are developing the production ready application, so which one is the recommended means the first approach is the recommended, okay. So why means it is a Java coding standard and a Java naming convention, package naming convention, okay. So even though if you are taking this one also, it will work, but the recommended one is the first one is the recommended one, okay. I hope you got. Next, so the package must be first statement in the source file. So as I mentioned, in a source file only one package keyword is allowed, and that must be the first statement, okay. So apart from the comments, the first statement is what the package keyword only, okay. So it is possible to take at most one package within the source file. Only one package keyword is allowed, and that must be first statement. And what if I want to mix with the import statement and package keyword means, the first of all we need to take the package, then only we need to use only import keyword. The import statement, see, so the import statement must be between the package and the class statement, and it is possible to declare any number of import statement. So there is no restriction on import statement. There is no restriction on import statement. You can take any number of import statement, no problem. Import statement you can take any number, but the package keyword we need to take only one, only at most one package keyword we need to use, but any number of import keywords we can use. So where we need to use import keyword means, so suppose assume here I have a Java source file, okay. So all these points I will explain the programmatically. Like suppose I am using the package keyword here, package p1. Next I want to use import keyword like import, like java.util something, java.util dot star, and next the class will be begin. I assume I have class. Now if you observe here, the package keyword must be the first statement, okay. So okay, next import keyword must be right between the class and between the package only, okay. So if you write the package import keyword here, and it will throw the error, and if you write the import keyword here, and it will throw the error, okay. You need to follow this order: first package keyword, and then after import keyword, and then after the class keyword, okay. So this is the order. And how many package keywords we need to take means only one package keyword is allowed, okay. So if you write one more package keyword, what will happen, as the rule is very clear, like suppose if I take the p2, now the package 2 is becomes what, the second line. The rule is what, it must be the, that is a first statement of the source file. The rule is very clear, but the package keyword here first statement, but the second statement also package keyword is there and it is violating the rule, so it will throw the compile time error. So compulsory, the rule is very clear. The package keyword is only one keyword is allowed per a single Java source file, and you can take any number of import keywords, no problem. Okay. Next, the class declaration must be after the package and import statement. It is possible to take any number of class within the source file. So if you want to take any class or if you want to take any number of classes, you can take, no problem. But after import keyword, first we need to take the package keyword, then after import, then after class, and after class you can take any number of classes, no problem. So all that dot class file will be loaded into what your package. Okay, so that part I will explain the programmatically now. So suppose assume here I have a Java file. So let's take an example. So here I created like package p1 dot p2. Next I have a class A, and I have one more class, now the class B. Now if you compile your package, so what will happen means it will create a package. Okay, and the package name is what? The p1 dot p2. The p1 dot p2 means first it will create a directory. Okay, the package is nothing but it's a physical directory only. So the directory name is a p1. Okay, it's a root package. Okay, now inside this folder again one more subfolder will be created, that is a p2. Okay, now this name is a p2. Now inside p2, so here you have what? Class A and class B. Whenever you are compiling, the compilation, after successful compilation, it will generate the dot class file. So how many dot class file it will generate means, so two dot class file it will generate. One is class A and class B. So it will generate the two dot class files. So this one is A dot class. This one is A dot class, and it also generates one more dot class file. Now this one is a B dot class. So total the two dot class file will be what? Placed under the p2 folder. Okay, the p2 folder is a part of the p1. Okay, so p1 dot p2 means first it will create a root folder p1 inside p1, and it will create the p2 folder inside p2, and it will create the class A respective dot class file and class B respective dot class file. And if you are using any interface, so interface C. So assume two classes are there and one interface is there. So as you know that for every interface also it will generate the dot class file. So how many dot class file it will generate means, now it will generate the three dot class files. Now for interface also it will generate dot class file, that is a C dot class. Okay. Now these points now I will explain the programmatically. Okay. So here how to compile your Java program also now we will see. So to compile the Java program we need to follow some rules, like here we need to use the regular procedure. We need to use a Java C command C for the compilation. So after that we need to use a java.filename.java. Okay, so Java file name.java means whatever the file name you are using, that file name.java we need to use. In general we are following this approach. Now we are working with what the packages. Now the packages we need to the package means it is a collection of what the classes and interfaces, means it contains the dot class files. Now where we need to save your dot class files we need to define now. Okay, now here the destination we need to define, means where we need to save your dot class file, where we need to save your what a package. Okay, so -d indicates what the destination where you want to save. Okay, and that destination we need to pass here path. We need to pass the path, means if you want to pass exact absolute path you can pass here in this location, means it's a third option we need to pass. And so if you don't want to specify any other location, and if you want to specify in the current location, so just to specify the dot. If you specify the dot, it will store the dot class file in the current directory. Okay, so all these points I will explain the programmatically now. Okay, now coming to here I am creating a folder. A folder name is a test. So test is my folder. Test is my folder, and in this test folder I want to create a Java program. Okay, now here I am creating a package 1 and package 2, and I have one class, and I will create one more class. Now the class B, and I want to create one interface also, interface C. right? So total 2 classes and 1 interface I am taking inside package 1 and package 2. Okay. Now here I am going to save this file. So in desktop, in test folder I want to save. So the file name is any name you can give. So here I am giving what? a.java. So now this is what a.java file. This is my source file, and which contains what? 2 classes and 1 interface. Now I want to run this, I want to compile this package. So use command. Now here, so first of all we need to type javac command. After that the destination we need to mention like D. Okay, D stands for the destination and sometimes a directory also. So destination, and suppose if you want to save in the current location, so just give dot. And if you want to specify exact location, and if you want to specify the absolute path, you can mention here. Okay, that part also we'll see. First we'll save the package in current directory. So here I'm saving what? The current directory. And your file name, my file name is a.java. So a.java I'm passing, and if you hit enter, so here there is no errors in my program. So successful compilation only. So after successful compilation it will generate the package. Now if you want, you can see here a package is created here, and if you open, so the package name in source file I mentioned P1, and the first root folder is a P1, and inside P1 we have what? P2 also there. Like if you open, you can see the P2 also there, and if you open P2 and you can see 3 dot class file it is generated. So a dot class and b dot class and c dot class files. Okay, so total 3 dot class file it will generate. So if you observe these commands, so here we need to pass the javac. The command is used to compile your Java program. Okay, so javac command I am using, and in general what we use javac space your file name. So here space a file name. What is your file name? a.java. And here we are working with the packages, and we need to save your packages in some location, and that location I want to specify. So to specify that, the destination, there is a source file, and the source file I want to save in the location, in some specified location I want to save. So -d stands for the destination, and sometimes a directory also, and this destination we need to mention here. So here we need to mention the destination. So here you mention the dot means the current directory. So I don't want to save in the current directory, I want to save in the specified location. So that specified location here we need to pass now. Okay, so that part also now we'll see. Now I will create one more folder now, just a minute. Here I will take a demo folder, and in demo folder now you can see there is no files in my demo folder. I will copy this exact path. I am copying this path and I will paste here. Okay, like so javac -d, and the dot indicates what? The current directory. I don't want to save the files in the current directory, and I want to save my packages in a specified directory. So this absolute path here I mentioned. Okay, now if you hit enter, now after successful compilation, so it will save your file in this specified location. Now you can see here, if you open this demo folder, you can see a package is created P1, and inside a P2, and inside you can see the 3 dot class files, a dot class, b dot class and c dot class. You can mention by using what? The path. Okay, so absolute path. So coming to summary of this session, so in this session I have discussed what user defined packages means. So user defined package means a user, if you are not satisfied with the predefined packages, you can also create your own packages. So how can we create your own package means, so you need to use a package keyword. So the package keyword also I'll explain, and using the package keyword we need to follow some rules, like for a single source file we need to use one package keyword only. One package keyword must be first statement. Okay, so some package keywords rules are there, so that I already explained now. Okay, so next, so how to compile user defined package also I already explained, like we need to use a javac command, after that -d and your destination location and your java dot your file name .java we need to use. Okay, so that's about this session. So thank you.